All right, let us get started on day 15. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay, this is just modular arithmetic. Okay, right. And then Lewis 16 bits. Ah, here. Yes, okay. All right. Well, that's interesting. This is just a straight mathematical problem. Can totally type this morning. Okay. So let's seed it with the put in the flags for the seeds. 8921 for the example. And then I have a sneaking suspicion they are going to ask me to change the modulus and to change the factors later. And my housemates are snarking me now. Factor A, factor B. Okay, A uses 16807, B uses 48271. Okay, and then finally we need the modulus. Which is... I'm not going to risk mistyping that. Cool. Okay, and then finally we need to consider how many cycles you want to do. 40. Does Go support doing this like C does? I hope it does. Well, actually, language spec will answer that for me. Integer literals. Integer literals Okay. I cannot do this. Well, I have manually inspected that this number is 40 million. Yeah. Yep, yep. Just distracted for a second dealing with a thing. Okay. So, we need... What do we need here? We are going to need the value of A. So I'm just going to call that A, B, which are ints. Let's assume that they're int 64s, actually. I'm a little terrified of that. Just figuring out what we're making for breakfast. Okay. That's literally all I have to keep. Okay. Okay. And you need to be able to check these. And then finally, we need to be able to... okay. I think I've been slightly spoiled by Liz and Ellie talking about this. So we're going to need to note which cycle number we saw something at, because the suspicion is... What else is spoiled, Liz?
Breakfast. If you don't do the thing.
I'm still collecting votes for what to eat for breakfast. Nattles. Allie. Vote for food. Lydia. Okay, well tell me what you want to eat and then I can give you a grocery list. Okay, so distributed consensus algorithms are hard. TLDR. Okay, well, that's wonderful. Okay. I was just told you just have a raft of problems, Liz. That's so awful. That's the most awful thing in the world.
As long as we all agree that it was the most awful thing.
Okay. Okay. So, let's see this. What do I need to do? So to cycle, so first of all, we need to construct initial state, which is going to be the seed A, seed B, and then to cycle, I need to Oh,
I love her so much.
these are Uint 64s. Okay, Uint 64 of seed A, 64 seed B. Okay, and then times factor. Is the grammar ambiguous? I hope the grammar's not ambiguous. Let's see. Yep, okay. Right, because it doesn't support doing the Python exponentiation, so therefore this is allowed. Yeah, that means that Python gets away with being able to do star star because of the fact that they don't have pointers. Okay. And then order of precedence. Order of precedence says... Yeah. Okay, they're all equal precedence, so I have to do this first. Actually, I'm not sure that's true if it parses it left to right, but I'm not taking any chances. It's also easier to read that way. Okay. Okay. So now we've done the code to advance it by a tick. So now we need to check the rightmost 16. Okay, well that's easy. Okay. Need to check the lowest 16 bits. That means 16 bits. I think that bit mask will work. Let's find out. Okay. That should be fine. So, all right. Now we need to keep a counter. Okay. 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 Actually, we know these two numbers are not different, but we should still really do that. Okay. So, something like this should work. I just also want to initialize my memoization. So, make the cache. And then need to say so the other thing I need to do is found it on a previous cycle. Then we can break and say, hey, I already found I think that should do it. Oh, this is not C. Okay. Let's try that. And of course I opened it in the wrong screen. Line 32. Okay, I messed something up here. No. 32. Oh. There. That'll do it. Okay. Now let's try running it. Oh. Actually, wait a minute. Throw moduli. How many bits is this? This is... Yeah, okay. So that's 30 bits. So therefore, two 30-bit numbers being... Yeah. So actually, I think in theory... What happens if I take... yeah, what happens if I take that... Yep, that's larger than a 32-bit number. Yep, so that is a good choice to use. Two 64-bit numbers there. At least I don't have to break out big math. Big math would be annoying. Okay. No, you didn't. The hell you did. Ah, that's my problem. There. Yep, I found 588 matches. Great. So now I can run it on my input, which is 83, 79. And the household has consensus on potato pancakes. What? Okay, wait, that can't be. I must have a bug. seed A and seed B. I'm willing to try it, but this seems suspicious. Okay, that's indeed wrong. Okay, so what did I mess up here? Wait. Ah. That's why I messed up. If all the digits are identical, then they should XOR to... Yep, okay. Let's try that again. Yep, I'm getting you the list.
Ellie and Natalie? Yes. I need one of you to come to the store with me, and I need the other one to start tidying this area. Which one is going to do which? Well, I'm not dressed, so...
Okay.
Definitely get dressed, because my parents are going to be here.
So why is this wrong now?
Alright, cool.
Can't believe I accidentally got it right earlier.
Liz, did you make that list?
Yes, I did.
What was that, Lydia? Yeah, I can just get my stuff out of that bathroom and shower in the other room, though.
No, I had it to right to start. They should all be 0.
Is on the grocery list anyway?
It's possible my bit mask is wrong.
There's some other stuff we could probably get.
Uh,
Yeah, I don't know. Should we check how we are on all our stuff?
check that. Oh. Duh.
Honestly, I have a pretty recent...
Yeah, okay.
Pretty up with that, too.
That is fascinating. Oh, no, because that's that. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep. So we are getting the right with 16 bits and making sure they're all 0.
Jar of pasta sauce. We have an unopened thing of peanut butter and jam. We've got most bread. Pretty good on soy milk. Fridge is full of leftovers. Food, rest of the sausages.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, those are important. We don't have any of those.
Oh, no. Dad just said no brunch, sorry. Hangout anyway. Rip brunch.
Rip brunch. Okay, but we can still have block keys, right?
Sure. That's what I want.
883, 879.
Are they still coming here, or?
It sounds like no.
Okay, apparently I'll...
What happens if I give it a completely different number? Is that still going to yield the same number? Because that would be real suspicious. Okay. I am now very suspicious face. Oh! Ah! This bites me every time. I am now mad at myself. Okay. Solve the correct problem. Okay. Ah. I should have been very suspicious of that exact bug when I saw the exact same answer. Okay. That should be better now. Yes. Good. Good, 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 good.
You don't want your carrots to be bendy.
Cast them into the fire. Alright, maybe there isn't actually that much we need.
Oh. Well, now I didn't actually need to memorize those excessive premature optimization. Now they only hand values when they meet. Okay. Alright, so... Great. Okay.
Alright, this is gonna be a two-person job.
Yep.
Yeah.
So now... Okay. So if we're not picky, we can do this.
We're doing our
But if we are picky, we need to do something different. Okay, so if we are picky, what do we need to do? That means that this expression is still true. We just need to do them differently. Okay.
You only need to step one of them, though, not both.
I'm having it pointed out that... Yeah, but it waits for each generator to provide us with...
That doesn't mean that you keep stepping B if B has already settled on an acceptable value while A is still stepping.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, it looks like you're stepping both to A here.
No, I am not. I am...
What you're doing here?
Yeah.
See how it is when you're Liz.
Yep.
Doing some mischief.
Liz is doing go.
Okay, actually, you know what? I might show off a...
Briefly attacked Flurry with a glove.
Uh,
Not
okay.
these.
Not that time.
Not these.
Uh,
It's already pretty clean, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Jay attributes me having cleaned it up.
It's raining outside, which is not the best.
Yeah. Full life for the heat.
so that needs to end in 0B1000, which means that I need to do that.
Got two thumbs and forgot to set a base case.
You.
Yeah. My computer froze up again. I didn't do task
Okay.
set.
Okay. Okay. So now, should do the right thing. Let me just double check. Yep. Yep. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, cool. Does that work? Let's try that. So let's run with the default values, but picky is true, and we need to go up to 5 million. And of course I have bugs. $51.
As your Misty's big.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay, right.
Yep.
Is that correct now? And now 61.
The heavy duty disinfecting battery.
Oh.
Oh,
Ah.
Real.
Okay. Cool. Oh, and that's a bug. Great. Okay. That is looking more correct.
this is full of objects.
Yeah.
Install our element bag full of objects.
Sorry, everything is unicorn bag and micro bag. Or this is
Oh,
GHQ bag.
right.
We in LGBTHQ.
kinda yeah.
So useful canary detector for, oh my goodness, I screwed something up, but
LGBTHQ. Video games.
And then went out of business.
And there were no trains in them.
okay.
Be sad.
So,
Go on an umbrella.
what is wrong with this? Let's make sure I didn't break it. So, did I break it?
Alright, back shortly with groceries. Today's advent is 23A is really nice. But then 23B is like,
All right. Let us see. What have we here? Yeah, okay, so that still generates the correct result. The problem is... just turn the cycle count way down. And let's blow away the cache because I don't actually need it anymore. Try that. Okay, found no matches. So now... okay. Oh. Now I don't need this. Right. Okay. Is that better? I think that's better. Oh. but it's not. It needs to execute at least once. Okay. That's hella annoying. There. Okay. Logic is hard. Logic is super hard. What I would give for do while. Instead, we have to approximate it like this. Is that better? Oh, whoops. No, why is that not better? Generate B looks for values that are multiple of 8. Generate A looks for values that are multiples of 4. Let's just... Does that work? Okay. So there was just a problem with my bit flipping, but that's fine. Is that correct? Yes. Okay, good. $5 million. And then we need to pass in my seed values. Okay, and let's just make sure that number is correct as well. Turned 9, good. Okay, so I found 253 matches. Yes! And that is day 15. Okay, now... Ooh, pretty. I swear, the arrangement of chips changes every time I complete a day. It's not actually the same set of chips that were there before. Okay, let's take a brief look at day 16, and let's check in our code. Oh my god. Important to check in our code. Good. Okay. So, programs are dancing, standing in line. Okay. Bin, exchange. Ah. Okay. This isn't that hard. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. There's only 15 programs. Oh, but that's a lot of different iterations of moves that it's asking me to do. Really what I should do is just save this instead of freezing up my editor while it tries to line wrap this. So that's kind of silly. okay. Oh, it finally finished. Okay, good. Okay. Just slurp up some of this. Out of laziness. And then delete all of this. Okay. Now, need to these are all comma separated values, are they not? Yes, these are all comma separated values. Okay, and then so we need to do the setup at some point. So is there a handy trick for doing Go map initialization? Ah, okay, yes, I can do a map literal. But I don't want to type that 15 times actually, so let's just do this. "16 programs." Which is going to be a map from... So I need to be able to find... Where is the program, and what is it named? Okay. So as a result... Okay. Okay. So... Okay, and then... I think that should do it. Now... For each instruction... Spin exchange partner. Okay. If I spin, then makes X programs move from the end to the front. So, okay, so that effectively looks like a rate. I of so I need to swallow the rest of the instruction. And then the standard thing. Okay. Okay. For each of these, what do I need to do? To interesting. All right. Well, I need to deal with a dog, so I'm going to do that. Alright, let us get back to it. So, the main problem is that the encoding is annoying.
Kick her. I was trying to pet her with my foot.
Chloe does not understand that at all. I've tried that before too, and she's just like, nope.
Alright.
Dog. I would describe dog as.
Right.
I would describe no similarly, I think.
Yeah, same. That sucks.
Okay.
Chloe is a dog reject.
Changes since he wants to appreciate them and find them attractive on you. Fucked up.
Okay.
I'm gonna take off my boots, brush my hair, and then wash them just clean.
Ouch.
Okay. So, we need to...
Affectionate East NA.
North America.
Yep.
Who's the most affectionate east than the other continents?
I don't know.
Yeah. I want to meet the most affectionate east country.
New quest unlocked.
Alright. So if I is less than count, then the order I is equal to order...
Just talking around a bit.
Let's see, original order, so it's going to be 16 minus count plus I. That's right, because if I'm moving one element, I need to move element 15 to position 0. Yep, okay, that's correct.
What day are you on, Liz?
I am doing day 16A right now.
Nice.
Otherwise, new order I, the order of count. Let's see. Is that right? No, that's... So I need to... Ah. Okay. So this is just I minus... I minus count. Yes, because that'll take from 0, because I... When I equals count, it'll take 0. After that'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, okay, that's fine. Good. Cool. And then now I just need to make sure to update the positions as well. So... Okay. Look up. Okay. 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 So now that should be good. Cool. This case is pretty easy. So need to okay, operands are going to be split the rest of the instruction by that. And then we need to parse each of them. Okay. So operand A, operand B. Okay. So now this is pretty simple because that just means oh, whoops. I'm missing something here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so and then okay, let's do that. And then finally, this one is pretty easy because that is just so so that's going to be that 0, 1, and 2, 3. Yep, okay. Okay. Okay, and then okay, let's try that. 38. No one ever writes code that compiles on the first go. Righto. Righto. Okay.
Just 11.
Okay. Try that. Try that. $180. Really?
There you go. We should go there.
Angel Road?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. It's in an extremely desolate industrial area.
Why can't I convert?
No, you aren't Ellie.
I don't know, like 11 trains, like I would compare like the trains to the outer parts of London to be
Fine.
sort of like next to North Euston, so it's like one on the rather than like Amtrak.
Now we debug. So for some reason, that didn't wind up right.
Sorry, man, I noticed one of my hair.
Uh,
That always happens with me. Especially if you're having super curly hairs or long spots. You're gonna add my hair to your
what?
There's a lot of my hair on that brush right now.
My hair is the only thing about me that's straight.
What?
My hair is the only thing about me that's straight.
Nice. What about Flurry? What's up with her hair?
I don't know.
That doesn't even make
It's just like people are talking about me.
Hi.
sense.
Hi. How? You're a dog.
Like you and Flurry might be besties.
Still check that. I don't understand. But I am close, and I am going to have to make breakfast soon, so I will probably swap over to doing that, and I will pick up debugging in a few hours.
What?
Throw it away.
And just put it on somewhere and hope it
No.
disappears.
No.
Maybe put it on Flurry. Just like
Oh. Right.
Big Beast? Is your Big Beast is trying to get up? Liz?
Yeah?
Misty is trying to get up.
I'll give her water in a second.
And also it is reaching the time when you said you would
Yep.
make breakfast.
That guy looks like my 11th grade English teacher who made me read without pen in his class.
No.
What?
Can't believe Mr. Holster made a band.
Alright.
Actually, no.
Timing
I don't
out.
know what you're talking about.
Be back on in a bit.
Song